Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Hi, this is Sayos, IT specialist and member at Web Development. In this modern age, information is power. Every click, every transaction, and every piece of data we share online holds immense value. This data can range from personal information like social security numbers and bank details to corporate secrets and government intelligence. Protecting that information is paramount, and that's where ethical hacking comes in. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in safeguarding our digital lives. They are the unsung heroes who work behind the scenes to ensure that our data remains secure. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their skills to find vulnerabilities in systems before malicious actors can exploit them. They think like hackers but act with integrity, always aiming to protect rather than harm. They are the digital guardians, working tirelessly to ensure our online world is a safer place. Imagine a bank vault. Just as a security expert might test the physical security of a vault, ethical hackers test the digital security of our systems. A security expert could try to break in, not to steal anything, but to find weak points in the vault's design. This proactive approach helps in identifying and fixing vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by criminals. That's what ethical hackers do. But instead of physical vaults, they test the vaults of computer systems, networks, and applications. They simulate attacks to uncover weaknesses, ensuring that these systems are robust and secure. Kali Linux is a specialized operating system designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It's a powerful tool that comes equipped with hundreds of pre-installed programs used for security testing. It comes preloaded with a vast array of tools, making it an indispensable resource for security professionals. These tools can perform a variety of tasks, from scanning networks for vulnerabilities to cracking passwords and analyzing wireless networks. Think of it as a toolbox, but instead of hammers and screwdrivers, it contains software designed to probe, scan, and analyze digital defenses. Each tool in Kali Linux serves a specific purpose, and together they provide a comprehensive suite for ethical hackers. In this essay, we'll explore how to create a hacker phone using Kali Linux, a powerful tool in the ethical hacker's arsenal. A hacker phone can be a portable and versatile device, allowing ethical hackers to perform security assessments on the go. We'll demystify the process, making it accessible to a wide audience, and emphasize the importance of ethical hacking in our increasingly interconnected world. By understanding the tools and techniques used by ethical hackers, we can better appreciate the efforts that go into protecting our digital lives. Ethical hacking is not just a profession, it's a vital component of modern cybersecurity, ensuring that our data remains safe and our systems secure. Kali Linux is not your average operating system. It's specifically designed for penetration testing and security auditing, making it the go-to choice for ethical hackers worldwide. Imagine a Swiss Army knife for cybersecurity professionals. That's Kali Linux in a nutshell. This powerful operating system comes preloaded with a vast array of tools, each tailored for specific security tasks. Need to scan a network for vulnerabilities? Kali has you covered. Want to test a website's defenses against common attacks? Kali has the tools for that too. One of the key advantages of Kali Linux is its versatility. While it can be installed on a traditional computer, it can also be run from a USB drive or even a smartphone, turning it into a portable hacking platform. This flexibility allows ethical hackers to assess security from virtually anywhere. Whether you're a seasoned security professional or just starting your journey into the world of ethical hacking, Kali Linux provides an unparalleled toolkit for understanding and strengthening digital defenses. It's the foundation upon which countless security assessments are built, and its importance in the fight against cybercrime cannot be overstated. In the past, ethical hacking often required bulky equipment and a dedicated workspace. These setups were not only cumbersome but also limited the mobility of the hacker. The need for a stationary environment meant that ethical hackers had to plan their activities around their equipment, often missing out on real-time opportunities to test and secure systems. Today, the power to assess and improve security can fit right in your pocket. Modern technology has revolutionized the field, making it more accessible and versatile. The advent of powerful smartphones has changed the game, allowing ethical hackers to carry their tools with them wherever they go. A hackaphone, a smartphone equipped with Kali Linux, has become an indispensable tool for ethical hackers on the go. This compact device is loaded with a suite of tools that can perform a wide range of security assessments, from network analysis to vulnerability scanning, all from the palm of your hand. Imagine this. You're at a coffee shop and connect to the public Wi-Fi. Public networks are often less secure, making them prime targets for cyber attacks. With a hacker phone, you can quickly analyze the network, identifying potential security risks. This allows you to take immediate action to secure your connection and protect sensitive information. With a hacker phone, you can quickly analyze the network, identifying potential security risks. This real-time analysis is crucial for maintaining security in dynamic environments. Whether you're checking for rogue access points or monitoring network traffic, the hacker phone provides the tools you need to stay one step ahead of potential threats. Or perhaps you're meeting with a client who wants their website tested for vulnerabilities. In such scenarios, time is of the essence. Your hacker phone becomes a portable testing lab, allowing you to assess and address security concerns in real time. This immediacy can be the difference between a secure system and a compromised one. Your hacker phone becomes a portable testing lab, allowing you to assess and address security concerns in real time. The ability to perform these tasks on site, without the need for bulky equipment, enhances your efficiency and effectiveness as an ethical hacker. You can provide immediate feedback and solutions, which is invaluable in high-stakes environments. The beauty of a hacker phone lies in its portability and discreetness. Unlike traditional setups, a smartphone can be easily carried and used without drawing attention. This is particularly useful in situations where discretion is key, such as when conducting covert security assessments or when working in public spaces. It blends seamlessly into everyday life, allowing ethical hackers to work discreetly and efficiently. The ability to operate under the radar ensures that you can perform your duties without causing alarm or drawing unnecessary attention. This is essential for maintaining the integrity of your assessments and for protecting the privacy of those around you. No more lugging around heavy laptops or setting up complex equipment. The days of being tethered to a desk are over. A hacker phone puts the power of Kali Linux at your fingertips, wherever you are. This freedom allows you to be more responsive and adaptable, addressing security issues as they arise, no matter where you are. A hacker phone puts the power of Kali Linux at your fingertips, wherever you are. The comprehensive suite of tools available on Kali Linux ensures that you have everything you need to perform thorough and effective security assessments. From penetration testing to network monitoring, your hacker phone is equipped to handle it all. However, it's crucial to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. The capabilities of a hacker phone are immense, but they must be used ethically and responsibly. Misuse of these tools can lead to serious legal and ethical consequences. A hacker phone is a powerful tool that should only be used for ethical purposes. Always ensure that your actions are in line with legal and ethical standards. This means using your skills to protect and secure systems rather than to exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain. Always obtain proper authorization before conducting any security assessments. Unauthorized testing can lead to legal repercussions and can damage your reputation as an ethical hacker. By obtaining permission, you ensure that your actions are legitimate and that you are working in the best interests of your clients. And use your skills to protect, not exploit. The ultimate goal of ethical hacking is to improve security and protect sensitive information. By using your hacker phone responsibly, you can make a significant positive impact in the field of cybersecurity, helping to create a safer digital world for everyone. Creating your own hacker phone might seem daunting, but it's surprisingly straightforward, even without rooting your device. Rooting, which grants deeper access to the phone's system, can void warranties and potentially compromise security. Thankfully, we can achieve our goal without it. Rooting, which grants deeper access to the phone system, can void warranties and potentially compromise security. Thankfully, we can achieve our goal without it. Thankfully, we can achieve our goal without it. The key is an Android app called Termux. The key is an Android app called Termux. Think of Termux as a terminal emulator, a window into the command line interface of your phone. Think of Termux as a terminal emulator, a window into the command line interface of your phone. It allows you to interact with your phone's operating system using text commands, much like a traditional computer. It allows you to interact with your phone's operating system using text commands, much like a traditional computer. First, download and install Termux from the Google Play Store. First, download and install Termux from the Google Play Store. Once installed, launch the app and you'll be greeted with a blank command line. Once installed, launch the app and you'll be greeted with a blank command line. Don't be intimidated. This is where the magic happens. Don't be intimidated. This is where the magic happens. Next, we need to install Kali Linux within Termux. Next, we need to install Kali Linux within Termux. This might sound complicated, but it's essentially like installing any other app on your phone. This might sound complicated, but it's essentially like installing any other app on your phone. We'll use a few simple commands to download and install the necessary files, transforming your phone into a pocket-sized hacking powerhouse. We'll use a few simple commands to download and install the necessary files, transforming your phone into a pocket-sized hacking powerhouse. In the following sections, we'll delve into the specific commands and tools needed to complete this transformation. In the following sections, we'll delve into the specific commands and tools needed to complete this transformation. But for now, understand that the process is surprisingly accessible, allowing anyone with a compatible Android phone to create their own ethical hacking toolkit. But for now, understand that the process is surprisingly accessible, allowing anyone with a compatible Android phone to create their own ethical hacking toolkit. With Termux and Kali Linux, you can run a variety of hacking tools and scripts right from your phone. This setup is perfect for learning and practicing ethical hacking on the go. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hacker, this guide will help you get started. So let's dive in and transform your Android phone into a powerful tool for ethical hacking. With Termux and Kali Linux, you can run a variety of hacking tools and scripts right from your phone. This setup is perfect for learning and practicing ethical hacking on the go. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hacker, this guide will help you get started. So let's dive in and transform your Android phone into a powerful tool for ethical hacking. In the next chapter, we'll cover the initial setup and configuration of Termux and Kali Linux, ensuring your phone is ready for action. In the next chapter, we'll cover the initial setup and configuration of Termux and Kali Linux, ensuring your phone is ready for action. Stay tuned as we walk you through each step, making the process as simple and straightforward as possible. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional ethical hacking toolkit right in your pocket. Stay tuned as we walk you through each step, making the process as simple and straightforward as possible. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional ethical hacking toolkit right in your pocket. So, get ready to unlock the full potential of your Android phone and embark on your ethical hacking journey. See you in the next video.